Okay, so I think this is for unintended behavior. Gad told me a while ago that I can fix a problem that I have with these VFX blocks always getting selected because they have huge boundaries when you make them big. Like, if I want to simulate my stage lights, I need them really big. They have a huge bounding box, which means that once you've got them in place, it becomes almost impossible to work here. You have to take them out far away so you can actually select things without constantly selecting this. And we have the same problem with the with Plof's hub world, the space station where I put the lights in. It's really hard to work when the lights are there because you always select them because of the huge boxes. Now, Gad said I should use this block as set interaction or set interactive, I think, which kind of works, but not doesn't really solve the problem. So I'll show you what it is. So without activating, without even connecting it, if I just oh, come on. So without connecting it, the VFX block can be moved around, connected, and then send a 0 into it. Now I cannot actually move it anymore, but I can still select it. So send a 1, it's interactive again, I can move it. 0, cannot move it, but it becomes selected. You can see already the big boundary box around it, so which only gets worse if I make it bigger, which I can't now because that works. It's not interactive in that sense. I cannot move it. I cannot up or downscale it, but it ends up getting selected, and that's exactly the problem. And in fact, if you have selected it, you cut it. So if you select anything that is within that huge boundary box and cut it, you lose that light. So that keeps happening. So I think, what needs to happen is the set interactive block needs to really inactivate this, so it cannot be selected. It's basically like it is not there. That would solve the problem. Okay, would be great if that could be looked into.